Hi everyone, today we are going to demonstrate how to configure the pump model BT300M to extract liquid samples. In order to properly extract samples from a deeper sampling location, for example a sewer meters down from ground level, this pump can be a good fit for that purpose. By flipping this switch anti-clockwise, the appropriate size tubing can be installed. After the latch is lifted up, gently position the tubing in place. Once the positioning is confirmed, flip the switch back to the right. Check that the tubing is installed correctly as shown in this video. For this example, I'm configuring the pump to extract liquid samples from the left side and depositing it to the right. Therefore, I flip this bottom switch to the right. I can then control how fast or slow I want this extraction to occur. What is shown now is the exact speed the extraction droplets should appear. It should not be a continuous flow, but instead fast, consistent droplets. If the power is completely removed, this will result in immediate stoppage of extraction. Feeding power back to it will kickstart the extraction straight away. The end of the sampling tubing should be properly wrapped with a filter and secured with a light weight.